How to use YouTube's community tab. This is a special feature that you get once you surpass 1,000 subscribers. We're going to talk all about that in just one moment and how special it is to use. Welcome back everybody to Grow Your YouTube Channel, where we help you with channel growth, tips and tricks, getting you monetized quickly as well as reaching more organic viewers, and the best and expert YouTube advice. If you're new to the channel, welcome, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so we can help you too grow your channel. Even if you're just starting off or if you have thousands of subscribers, we're here to help you no matter what. So let's dive right into it. What is this community tab? When does it pop up? Well, it pops up after you get 1,000 subscribers. We recently got it on our channel about a week ago when we surpassed 1,000. It takes roughly 7 days for YouTube to put the community tab onto your page. You don't have to apply for monetization to do this. You just need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Now, what is its importance? Let's dive right into that. The community tab on YouTube, why you must take advantage of this as soon as you hit 1,000 subscribers. It is especially important to connect with your audience and use to basically keep your channel active even on days when you're not promoting your content or posting videos. So what type of posts can you do? Well, first you can do polls, and polls are very great because you can do open-ended and closed-ended questions that require either a yes or no answer or an open, honest answer. People can vote on it and they can still comment on your poll as well. So it is a great way to receive input and connect with your viewers and your audience. Now, the next thing that you can do is post an image, video, and or playlist on your community tab. And this is a great way to promote upcoming content for your channel. It's a great way to cross promote if you have other channels or if you have a friend on YouTube who has a channel that you want to help out. It is a great way to get stuff out there, or even to remind everyone that, hey, I had a video out yesterday. If you haven't had a chance to check it out, here it is. Go check it out. It's definitely worth giving a watch. Something like that just to keep involvement in your community. Next is going to be plain text, and this is just writing a simple message such as a Facebook post, if you want to think of it that way. And last but not least is going to be something secret that not a lot of people know that you can do, and it is actually GIFs. Yep, you can post GIFs on YouTube community posts, and they will show up on the YouTube homepage right under your top videos on the YouTube channel. So basically, when you post a GIF, it is going to stand out a little bit more than any other post that you can do. Not a lot of people post GIFs because they don't know that they can do it. But yes, indeed, you can post these on YouTube in your community tab to connect with your viewers and connect with your audience. It is a great way to reach them and a great way to connect with them and grab their attention. Now, why use it? First and foremost, you need to engage with your audience. You need to connect and meet them. If you want them to keep coming back for more, you got to make sure that you're willing to acknowledge them and let them know that you're here. Unless your channel has millions of subscribers and it's almost impossible to reply to every single person, it is still good to use the community tab to stay in touch with your audience so that they don't unsubscribe or stop watching your content. Now, on days that you don't post videos, you want to be posting on your community tab. You can post endlessly, you can post as much as you want, but you don't want to post too much. The same thing with YouTube videos. You don't want too much of anything, but you also don't want too little. There's a sweet spot right in between that. So keep your channel more active. Make sure that you are posting on days that you do not post videos to your channel. Next, you can get advice and input from polls. As I just mentioned, this is a great way to get the best input that you can from your viewers. Basically ask them, hey, do you like this or that I've been posting on my channel? You can vote yes or no, or you can even vote for alternative options to get more insight to what your viewers want and what they like. And last but not least is going to be advertising for upcoming videos and content, as well as cross promotion and promoting any of your friends or colleagues on YouTube that you would like to help out as well. Community posts are always a great way to help promote any content out on YouTube. So if we go to my community tab, I only have one post on there because it is still fairly new, and it is just saying hello to everybody, and it is a closed-ended question, yes or no answer, just asking if people knew about this feature before I posted this. Sometimes people may not know that this is even a thing, and that is okay because YouTube is known as being the site for videos, but it's also becoming more and more like other social media platforms, just like TikTok with YouTube Shorts, which we'll get into in another video. But it is also becoming more of a connecting and engagement brand as well. So this helps you connect with your audience even more. So that is why community posts are especially important. Again, you can do a video as well as just posting a YouTube link to your playlist or video or any other channel on YouTube that you want to promote. You can do a poll. As you can see, you can add more options if you'd like. You can add up to 5, and you can even post an image or a GIF. You can upload a video by dragging and dropping it here, or basically selecting it from your computer, whatever you like to do. Community is a great way to connect with your audience, especially on days that you are not posting YouTube videos. It keeps your channel more active, and it also shows YouTube that you are active and you are committed to keeping people on YouTube, because that is what they care about most. So if this helped you at all, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, subscribe for more content just like this. This has been Grow Your YouTube Channel. And if you, let me tell you this, if you're just starting off, it is never too late to start a YouTube channel. So trust me when I say it, that you can reach 1,000 subscribers faster than you think. You just got to be committed and willing to put in the work. So until next time, thank you for watching till the end. Peace out.